Alright, let's continue. First is we will do the basic configuration. We'll input the PPA credentials of our ISP. Next is we will create bridge for our LAN. Assign Ethernet 4 and the Wi-Fi. We'll enable the Wi-Fi. So let's go to interface and enable. Okay. We'll change this one to ISP1, ISP2, ISP3. We'll configure now the DNS. Okay. We'll configure now the IP address for our LAN. Next is we will create DHCP. We'll rename the DHCP server name. We'll also rename the pool. We'll configure the Wi-Fi. Right. Next is we will now do masquerade. Alright, we are now done doing the basic configuration. Next is we will add an address list for our RFC 1918. Alright, we will now proceed to Mangle. First is we will configure sticky connection rule. Chain input in interface the ISP. Action, mark connection. We'll name this one 11 con. Apply and copy. We'll make for ISP2. Action, mark connection, then new connection, mark 12 con. Apply, copy. We'll make for ISP3. PO3, action, mark connection, then new connection, mark 13 con. Apply, okay, apply, okay, apply, then okay. Next is we will configure the output rule. Click plus, general, chain, output, connection mark 11 con, then action, mark routing, then new connection mark, we'll name this one to 11. Apply and copy this one. We will make for ISP2 and ISP3. Apply and copy. We will make for ISP3. Apply, okay, apply, okay, apply, okay. We will name this one sticky connection rule. Okay. Next is we will make an accept rule. So click plus, general per routing, in interface, PPP out 1, your ISP1, in action accept, apply, copy, for ISP2, apply, copy, for ISP3, apply, okay, apply, okay, apply, okay. We will name this one accept rule. We will add two more rules for accept rule. General, extra, general per routing, then go to extra tab, source address type, local, destination address type, local, action, accept, apply, okay. Then last rule for accept rule, go to general per routing, advanced, destination address list, choose RFC 1918. Then action, accept, apply, okay. Right, we'll now proceed to our policy-based Mangle rules. So, click plus, then general, per routing, protocol, TCP, destination port 80, 443, and 8080. These ports is for browsing. So, click action, then mark routing. And what we want is browsing, go to ISP1, so new routing mark 211, then uncheck pass-through. Apply, then we'll make a comment, browsing. This comment will be used as a reference for our scripting for netwatch. So okay, click OK, and apply OK. So for the streaming, click plus, general, per routing, protocol UDP, destination for port 443, action, mark routing, new routing mark 212. Then uncheck pass-through. Click apply, then we will make a comment, streaming. Okay, apply, okay. Alright, for the games, we will use the Mobile Legend ports. So Mobile Legend ports is in here. Right. Click plus. General, we'll make first mark connection rule. Then we'll name that rule games con. So pre-routing, TCP, then destination port, then action, mark connection, games con. We'll name this one gamescon, then click apply. Okay. Plus, in general, TCP again, then destination port, and action mark connection, the new connection mark gamescon, apply, okay. We will make a rule for the UDP, general, UDP, destination port, action, mark connection, gamescon, apply, okay. Add another one, general, protocol UDP, and copy this one, destination port, then action, mark connection, gamescon, then apply, okay. These ports are for our Mobile Legends. If you have another games, then you will just make another rule, then put the protocol here and the destination port here, and the action mark connection, then just choose again the gamescon, so that all your games will have a gamescon connection, and that connection mark will be our reference, or we will put that connection mark to our mark routing rule that will be routed to a specific ISP. So for this demonstration, we will just demo Mobile Legends. So we have now mark connection rule for our games. So we will route this game connection to 1.2. So click plus, then general per routing, then connection mark, gamescon, then action, mark routing, then new connection mark 212, uncheck pass through. Click apply and okay. We will name this one, comment this one, games, and okay. Right, we will now add a last rule for other traffic. Other traffic means traffic that is not browsing, streaming, and games, like what we demonstrate previously. Messenger traffic is not stated here in our Mangle rules. Therefore, that traffic goes to 1.3. If you do Viber or Skype or any traffic that is not browsing, streaming, and games, then it will be routed to game. It will be routed to 1.3. It will go to the others Mangle rule that we will be configured here in Mangle. So to do that, click plus, then general routing. No need for you to click here. You just go directly to action, then mark routing, then new routing mark to 1.3, then uncheck pass through. So meaning, if you didn't specify that one here, then all the traffic that is not specified in your Mangle will go to this rule, to 1.3. Will go out to 1.3 and apply. Okay. We'll name this one others. Click OK. Alright, we are now done with the Mangle rule. So we will now proceed to the IP routes. So go to IP, and then routes, then click plus, add first these rules. So gateway for ISP1, check gateway ping, distance 1, then click apply. Okay, then add another two rules for ISP2 and ISP3. Gateway ISP2, check gateway ping, distance 2 rather, then click apply and okay. Then for ISP3, gateway out 3, check gateway ping, distance 3. Click apply and OK. After that one, we will make another rules, another 3 routes for the routing marks 211, 212, and 213. So click plus, gateway, PPV out 1, then distance 1, then routing mark 211. Click apply, copy. We will make for ISP2, routing mark 212, apply, and copy. We will make now for ISP3, routing mark 213, apply, OK, apply, OK, apply, and OK. Alright, we are now done for the routing table, IP routes. So we will now do testing. We will now do testing. So for speed test, for browsing, we will do speed test and download a test file. So we will do speed test first. Alright, as what you can see, the traffic now goes to ISP1. Alright, for other demonstration for browsing, we will do test file download. Alright, it is still on ISP1, which is what we want. So we will not continue this download. Cancel. Now, we will now proceed to our streaming. So our streaming, for demonstration, for our streaming, we will do YouTube. I will just try to use my phone for YouTube. So my phone will be connected to the Wi-Fi that we set, the JAT Wi-Fi here in the wireless. JAT Wi-Fi. So what you can see here, my phone is already connected for the Wi-Fi. I will test YouTube. Then let's see if the YouTube traffic will go to ISP2. YouTube. Alright, I'll display in my screen. So that you will believe me that the demonstration is correct. Alright. So I'm doing YouTube. The traffic is routed in ISP2. Alright. We will now proceed with our games. So I will play Mobile Legends. Alright. So when you open Mobile Legends, if you are not in the game proper, the traffic for your games will be in your ISP1. But when you are now in the game proper, the traffic will now go to ISP2. ISP2. Right? So as you can see, we are now inside the gaming proper. Therefore, the traffic now goes to ISP2. We'll try to play a little more so that you can see that the traffic will still be in ISP2. Right, that's what you can see. It's still in ISP2. Alright, so this is it for the demonstration for the games. I'll exit Mobile Legends. Alright, proceed with the other traffic. So we will do messenger for this demonstration for other traffic. So I'll try to call. Hello. Alright, so as you can see, the traffic is routed. Alright, so this is it for policy-based routing. So if you don't want to put many ports in your games, you can just delete this one. Then all the traffic that is not browsing and streaming like games will go now to others. So if you find this video helpful, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like and share. It will very much help me to be motivated and upload more useful content. So bye for now, guys, and have a nice day.